Hi there, everyone. I'm ABC 13 meteorologist Elise Smith. Here's your look at the tropics on this Wednesday, August 12th. We're continuing to keep an eye on the deep tropics, the central Atlantic, as we now have not just one, but potentially two waves of tropical development. I know we've been talking about two potential waves of development, but the one that was closer to the Caribbean, that not likely becoming a tropical system. The one in the central Atlantic, higher odds of potentially becoming our next named storm of the 2026 Atlantic hurricane season. And the latest information I have for you today is that now our computer model guidance is potentially picking up on this wave entering the Caribbean later this weekend as likely a weak tropical storm. So that is something we'll keep a close eye on. Then the tropical wave behind it does also now highlight some low odds of developing over the next 7 days. To the northern Atlantic, this weak little system has started to take shape somewhat more. 50-50 odds of potentially seeing another named system in the northern Atlantic, but this would pose no threat to the United States. Now, as for the Pacific, likely seeing two new tropical systems form within the next couple of days as well. And we'll be watching for potential impacts to the Hawaiian Islands in terms of some heavy rainfall. As for August hurricanes and August systems in general this time of year, I mean, what we're monitoring in the deep tropics is very typical for August, where we could potentially be looking at some tropical waves that make it into the Caribbean that will be keeping a close eye on for potential entry into the Gulf, but also tropical systems that do hug more of the Atlantic side, the Caribbean and the East Coast. So we are entering what is typically the more active side of hurricane season into August and September, when we start to see warmer water temperatures and less wind shear. But current wind shear over the Caribbean does pose a good thing for us in Southeast Texas.